Good afternoon to you all. Today we are going to perform or going to do practicals, pharmacy practical number 4. The today's topic is to prescribe, prepare and dispense 30 ml of calamine lotion. So, name of the experiment is to prescribe, prepare and dispense 30 ml of calamine lotion. Apparatus required: measuring glass tube. Measuring glass tube. This is measuring glass tube. Okay, this is measuring glass tube. Balance. This is balance. Look at this. This is balance with measuring weights. Measuring weights is there. Then mortar. This is mortar in which ducks are taken and grinded with pestle, which is this one. This is pestle. With the help of pestle, different drugs are grinded together in finely powdered form. Then dispensing bottle. Paper one. Oh, this one. Dispensing bottle. This is dispensing bottle. Okay. Paper for labeling, used for labeling, and other is marker pen and adhesive. Okay. Now, after apparatus required, reagents required are calamine lotion 4 decimal 5 gram, zinc oxide 1 decimal 5 gram, bentonite 0.9 gram, sodium citrate 1 decimal 5 gram, liquid phenol 1 decimal 5 ml, glycerin 1 decimal 5 ml, and distilled water up to 30 ml. Calamine lotion, this one is this bottle containing calamine lotion in powdered form. We will use. Second reagent is zinc oxide. This one is zinc oxide, powder appearing whitish. And third one is bentonite. Look here, this is some dirty colored. This is bentonite. Okay. And then sodium citrate. Now this is glycerin. This is glycerin. This is glycerin. Glycerin. And this is sodium citrate. Powder form, whitish. Sodium citrate. And this one is taken is liquid phenol in Vickers. We have taken liquid phenol in Vickers. Then distilled water up to 30 ml. And coming to the principle. Okay, coming to the principle of how calamine lotion acts. So, principle: different ingredients of calamine lotion, such as calamine plus zinc oxide, acting as mild antiseptics, astringents, dermal protectives, adsorbents, and as physical barrier to ultraviolet light. Phenol acting as broad spectrum antiseptic and astringent. Bentonite, third reagent, acting as suspending agent. sodium citrate, another reagent, keeping the water insoluble bentonite in suspension form. Glycerin acting as emollient and distilled water acting as vehicle. All these make the calamine lotion altogether a good medicine to be used in different clinical conditions for topical application on skin and mucous membrane. So this is the first page of the experiment number 4 is. Now on the left side, look how prescription order writing is written. So the first part of today's experiment is to prescribe, then prepare, that it comes under the headings procedures, and then dispense after labeling 30 ml of calamine lotion. So coming to the first part, prescribe. To prescribe, so on left side, prescription for calamine lotion has been written. So topmost part of the prescription order writing details about doctor, that is Dr. Anil Kumar, MD, Moti Jheel, Muzaffarpur, having mobile numbers and address of the clinic. Second part is details about patients, that is Shri Vinay Kumar, son of Shri Arvind Kumar, Meenapur, Muzaffarpur. Date of prescription order writing is 18/9/2020, 18 September 2020, age is 32 years, religion/sex is Hindu male, body weight is 58 kg. Coming to the next part, that is superscription denoted by RX. Then it means take thou in the name of God. And next part is, that is body of the prescription, and this is contains details about the different drugs. That is calamine 4 decimal 5 gram acting as basis, which is the principal drug, main drug. Zinc oxide 1 decimal 5 gram acting as basis as well as adjuvant. Sodium bentonite 0.9 gram acting as suspending agent, and it is water insoluble. Sodium citrate 1.5 gram, which keeps the bentonite in suspended form because it renders the suspension alkaline pH, and in alkaline pH bentonite remains suspended and partially dissolved. Liquid phenol 1.5 ml acting as preservative as well as corrective, and sodium citrate acting as adjuvant. Glycerin 1.5 ml acting as corrective, and then distilled water which acts as vehicle. So this heading comes under the inscription. So first part is superscriptions denoted by RX, and second part is inscription, that is body of the prescription. Third is subscription, that is direction to the pharmacist. Here direction has been given: mix well and prepare a mixture and supply 30 ml of it to the patient after well labeling. Then comes a signature, that is direction to the patients, attending medical staff regarding the usage of drugs, duration of drugs, frequency of dosing it is. Here in signatures, it has been guided, written, that is to apply topically on the dermatitis on the left leg twice daily. Then comes refill once. And then comes substitution not, that is a special instruction. Substitution not allowed. It means the different ingredients of calamine lotion should not be displaced by another drugs or chemicals. And other special instruction, whenever any untoward effects occur, stop further application of the lotion and also immediately wash out the pre-applied calamine lotion and consult any doctor or me without delay. And lastly, on the right hand side bottom corner, signature of the doctor, that is Anil Kumar, having registration number. Now coming to some introductory terms which we should discuss. That is astringents. What are astringents? Those substances which cause contraction or shrinkage of tissue and which dry up secretions are called astringents. Astringents are usually classified into three groups according to their mode of action. First, those that decrease the blood supply by narrowing the small blood vessels. Example, topical or local application of epinephrine and cocaine. Second, those that extract water from the tissues. Example being glycerol and alcohol. Third one, those that cause coagulation. Please write correctly here, misprinted, coagulation, coagulation. You should write. Instead it is mistakenly written ciagulation. So those that cause coagulation and or precipitation of proteins of superficial tissue layers into a crest. Metallic astringents, M is missing there. Example being metallic astringents such as calamine or phthalate. Usage of astringents to reduce inflammation of the nasal, gastrointestinal, otic and upper pharynx. Second, to stop bleeding and tissue secretion. Coming to the other descriptive term, antiseptics. Antiseptics are antimicrobial substances which are applied on the living surfaces such as skin and mucous membrane to slow or stop the growth of microbes to prevent infection. Example, formaldehyde, glutaraldehyde, glutide. You should delete A. You should read it. Glutaraldehyde. Next, silver nitrate, zinc calamine lotion, phenols, iodine, ethyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, mercurochrome, hydrogen peroxide, etc. These are the examples of antiseptics. Next descriptive term is emollients. Emollients are those substances which, when applied on a skin and mucous membrane, form a fine film over the skin and mucous membrane and prevent evaporation of moisture from the part applied on. Example, glycerin and oil. Now coming to the next part, that is procedure. So today's experiments number is to prescribe, prepare and dispense. So during procedures we will describe how we will prepare the calamine lotion. So in the procedures, with the help of balance 4.5 gram of calamine, 1.5 gram of zinc oxide, 0.9 gram of bentonite, 1.5 gram of sodium citrate are taken and transferred into the mortar and mixed well using a pestle in unidirectional fashion. FASHION. Please read it correctly. Misprinted. Fashion, 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 unidirectional fashion, to finely powdered state until a clinching sound is heard. Then 1.5 ml of liquid phenol and 1.5 ml of glycerin are taken using a measuring glass tube and added to mortar and mixed well. Then some distilled water is added gradually while mixing is continued in unidirectional fashion with the help of pestle. Then whole mixture is transferred into the measuring glass tube and then further amount of distilled water is added to ultimately get 30 ml of the calamine lotion. Then it is transferred into the dispensing bottle, BOTTLE bottle. Rightly read it correctly. BOTTLE instead BOTTLE. So then it is transferred into the dispensing bottle and after well labeling it is dispensed to the patient. On the left side, that is labeling. That is after preparation of the drug, it should be transferred, it should be dispensed to the patients after well labeling. So how we should label? First, name of the patient, that is Sri Vinay Kumar, age 32 years, Hindu male, son of Sri Arvind Kumar. Then lab registration number, where drug has been produced by the pharmacist. So lab registration number here is 10 dated 18 September 2020. Then next party, that is 30 ml of calamine lotion contains calamine 4.5 gram, zinc oxide 1.5 gram, bentonite 0.9 gram, sodium citrate 1.5 gram, liquid phenol 1.5 ml, glycerin 1.5 ml and distilled water up to 30 ml. So all after the preparation, this calamine lotion should be applied on the affected skin, in this case dermatitis on left leg, twice daily. Then comes, that is in the red ink it is written, that is for external use only and shake the bottle well before use. This direction is for the patients. They should never intake or ingest this preparation while contained in the dispensing bottle. So it is written for external use only, and because on storage sedimentation occurs, so before using shake the bottle well before use. Lastly, dispensed by M. Kumar, the pharmacist. Now coming to discussion, that is calamine which acts as the basis, that is principal drugs, principal ingredient of the calamine lotion. Calamine, it is composed of 98% zinc carbonate, traces of zinc oxide and 2% ferric oxide. It is insoluble in water and pink in color. Due to presence of ferric oxide, it protects the skin from ultraviolet rays and acts as physical barrier. Bentonite, which acts as adjuvant. It is hydrated aluminium trisilicate and is insoluble in water and has property to absorb water up to 12 times of its own volume. Thus, it acts as a suspending agent. Next, sodium citrate acts as a corrective. It imparts the solution alkaline pH and keeps the water insoluble bentonite in suspension form. Next is liquid phenol. It is a broad spectrum antiseptic agent against bacteria, fungi, viruses and other microbes. It also acts as an astringent as well as preservative. Glycerin, it acts as corrective and emollient. Distilled water, it acts as a vehicle. Indications of calamine lotion: eczema, insect bite, smallpox, chickenpox, sunburn, urticaria, napkin rash, and as antiseptics. Contraindications of calamine lotion: in profusely oozing skin or mucous membrane, because secreted fluid or blood accumulates underneath the firm crust formed by the calamine lotion, causes secondary infection and delays wound healing. Ulcerated skin and mucous membrane is also contraindication. Patients allergic to any ingredients of calamine lotion are also one of the contraindications. Thank you to you all.